It's English time! Hello, lions! This week we're going to talk about nature. Okay, let's review. We have the forest, the bear, the snakes, the deers, the parrots, and the monkeys. We also have the insects, the beetle, the ant, and the spider. Do you remember the beach? Also, the seashells, the hermit, the starfish, and the crabs. And for today, we're going for a swim. Let's swim underwater. Are you ready? Come on, let's swim. Now, what do you see here? Do you see anything? Oh, I see, but there's so little. Wait, oh, they're coming close to us. And look, what are these? These are jellyfish. Jellyfish. Can you say jellyfish? Jellyfish. Jellyfish. And how many jellyfish do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jellyfish. They look so beautiful. Come on, let's look for more. Okay, let's go to the surface. Wait, what? Do you see something? Where? Ooh, I see them. I see. Those are dolphins. Say dolphins. Dolphins. And they like to play. They like to jump and make a splash. And they are smart animals. Okay, bye dolphins. Let's dive again. Now, do you see anything here? Really? Do you see something? Ooh, I saw them too. And they're swimming close to us. And they are turtles. Turtles. Say turtles. And look, there's a baby turtle. Oh, mommy turtle, daddy turtle, and the baby turtle. So, did you enjoy our swim? I like the animals that we saw. The jellyfish, the dolphins, and the turtles. So, see you again next time. Bye! And I have some videos for you to watch. I will put the links down below.